Ito ang masarap na pork menudo na perfect na i-pair with steamed rice and is usually inihahanda sa mga special occasions like birthdays, kasal, anniversary at iba pa. Or kaya ulam ng family. Napakasarap nito. It has a perfect balance of savory and slightly sweet flavors. Mas masarap din to kapag may kasamang liver. Tara't samahan niyo akong gumawa ng pork menudo. So first, pinrepare ko muna lahat ng ingredients. Kinat ko muna yung pork casing into squares. Then next, kinat ko naman ang pork liver into squares also.